So before we can throw this T56 up underneath the truck, we need to do a little bit of floor pan work.
So here I'm center punching all the spots that we designated. We're gonna drill holes. We're gonna weld the back panel and we're gonna bolt in the front panel so it's easily removable.
So we took this level 7 transmission tunnel and laid it out on the factory floor, and then we traced around it with a paint marker so that we knew where the panel was gonna go. But I just took a pneumatic sawzall, was able to get in there and get a line started, and just like butter, cut all the way around it, and in one shot did it all. It's pretty simple.
So this larger tunnel gives us a lot of accommodation for that T56 or any transmission we want to put in here, whether it's 4L80 a lot of guys are using. And the carpet works great with this because you just buy a factory carpet for a 4x4 truck because they already have a humped up tunnel, piece of cake, everything works great together.
For the record, I am not a professional welder, and every once in a while you just have to reset your tungsten into the metal and stick it fast just to make sure it's still working right. So you may or may not see 1 or 3 of those. Watch me stick it. You like to wiggle it to get it out. Right there.
So now that we got the floor all buttoned up, back all welded in, front easily unboltable in case we need to service anything, lined everything with kill mat, keep the sound and also the heat out of the cab. Looks really good.
So now we're going to throw this awesome T56 transmission in from TIC. They also supplied us with the bell housing for a GTO. And it already had the dowels and everything in it to bolt up to the back of our 427. So just a matter of lifting it up there and sliding it in. As we were putting the transmission up into this truck, you can see Dimitri, who always skips leg day, we let him do the pumping of the jack because he needs more of a workout down low.
So after we got the transmission all installed in the truck, we took some measurements for the drive shaft. We had one locally made. They've done a couple for us. They do a real nice job. Painted up gold, green for the money, gold for the honeys. So should look pretty cool in there and pretty stout. Should take a lot of power. So now we got the drive line all together, trans in there, we got the drive shaft made. Now the exhausting part of the job, watching Dustin build the exhaust. So a real good option for these trucks if you're doing an LS swap is Speed Engineering, makes a great LS swap header, very reasonably priced. And we also went with their exhaust setup. Sounds really good in this truck. Had to be tweaked a little bit. Dustin will tell us a little bit how we put it together.
Yeah, whenever we were putting the exhaust up, I mean, obviously the back half went okay, it's pretty well straight, but getting the headers attached through the cross member was a little exhausting, but we ended up getting a couple little pie cuts in it and getting it to go through and not rub on anything. So maybe something we'll fix here in the future, maybe get a new product out, but as of right now, we got it to work and it looks and sounds great.
So we got a little exhaust help from our buddy Larry. Now that Dustin went through all his tungstens and had no more allotment this week, Larry finished up welding these and put down some dimes.
I mean, he did do okay on the intake piping, so we figured he could do crappy on the bottom side of the truck.
Don't ever ask again.
If you enjoyed that short clip of my face, click here to see the whole episode.